Describe your favorite food. My favorite food is pho. It is a traditional dish in my country. It's made from rice noodles, beef or chicken, and a flavorful broth with herbs and spices. It tastes delicious and savory. I usually eat it with fresh herbs, bean sprouts, and a squeeze of lime. I love this food because it reminds me of my family and home. I often eat it on special occasions like Tet or family gatherings. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pho. Is your favorite food pizza? No, it isn't. My favorite food is pho. Is pho your favorite food? Yes, it is. Do you love pho? Yes, I do. Is pho my favorite food? I don't know. But pho is my favorite food. What do you like to eat the most? I like to eat pho the most. Do you think I like pho? Maybe. Many people love pho. What kind of dish is pho? It's a traditional dish. Is it a modern dish? No, it isn't. It's a traditional dish. Is pho traditional in your country? Yes, it is. Is pho a traditional dish in my country? Maybe, but it is traditional in my country. Where is pho a traditional dish? In my country. Is pizza a traditional food in your country? No, pho is a traditional food in my country. What is a famous traditional dish in your country? Pho is a famous traditional dish. What is pho made from? It's made from rice noodles, beef or chicken, and broth with herbs and spices. Is pho made from eggs? No, it isn't. It's made from rice noodles, meat, and broth. Does pho have beef or chicken? Yes, it has beef or chicken. Is the broth spicy and flavorful? Yes, it's flavorful with herbs and spices. Do you eat pho with rice or noodles? I eat it with rice noodles. Is pho made from bread? No, it's not. It's made from rice noodles. Do you know what pho is made from? Yes, I do. It's made from noodles, meat, and broth. How does pho taste? It tastes delicious and savory. Does pho taste bad? No, it doesn't. It tastes delicious. Is pho delicious? Yes, it is. Do you like the savory taste of pho? Yes, I do. Does pho taste sweet? No, it tastes savory. Do I think pho tastes good? I think so. Pho tastes delicious. Is pho tasty to you? Yes, very tasty. What do you eat with pho? I eat it with herbs, bean sprouts, and lime. Do you eat pho with ice cream? No, I don't. I eat it with herbs and lime. Do you usually eat pho with fresh herbs? Yes, I do. What do you squeeze on pho? I squeeze lime. Do I eat pho with bean sprouts? Yes, you do. Do you eat pho with ketchup? No, I eat it with fresh herbs. What extras do you add to your pho? I add herbs, sprouts, and lime. Why do you love pho? Because it reminds me of my family and home. Does pho remind you of your family? Yes, it does. Do you love pho for its flavor only? No, I love it because of the memory too. What food reminds you of home? Pho reminds me of home. Is pho a special food for you? Yes, it is. Do I love pho because it reminds me of school? No, because it reminds me of family and home. Why do you think I love pho? Because it connects you with your family. When do you often eat pho? On special occasions like Tet or family gatherings. Do you eat pho every day? No, only on special occasions. Do you eat pho at Tet? Yes, I do. What do you eat during family gatherings? I eat pho. Is pho a special occasion dish for you? Yes, it is. Do I eat pho on holidays? Yes, on special days like Tet. Why do you eat pho on special occasions? Because it's a traditional and meaningful food.